How to add cinematic bars in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and head over to the edit page. Make sure your timeline is selected so the cinematic bars apply to the correct video sequence. Next, go to the effects panel on the top left. In the source bar, type adjustment clip. Drag the adjustment clip above your video clips in the timeline. Now, with the adjustment clip selected, go to the Inspector tab on the top right. Scroll down to cropping. You will see options for crop top and crop bottom. Increase both of these values equally, usually around 120 to 140 for a standard cinematic look. You'll immediately see the black bars appear on the top and bottom of your video. After that, stretch the adjustment clip to cover the entire length of your video. This ensures the cinematic bars stay consistent from beginning to end. And that's it. Now you know how to add cinematic bars in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.